Hello friends, my name's Carrie and you're watching Living in Hendersonville. I'm a realtor with eXp Realty and I'm excited to take you on a home tour today. I am in Flat Rock, North Carolina, which is a town here in Henderson County. I'm on a big, beautiful front porch, perfect for rocking chairs. I've got some boulders over here, some nice boulders, and I can't wait to show you this home. It is so charming and exactly what folks are looking for when they want to move to Western North Carolina. This home was built in 1976. It is a log cabin, and I'm gonna show you the inside. The property is beautiful. It's over an acre. I think it's an acre and a quarter. And it has so much to offer, to explore. Trails, there's a little seating area down there, which I'll be sure and get some footage of for us. Big back porch. It's just so charming. And like I said, exactly what folks are looking for when they want to move to the mountains. If you haven't explored Flat Rock yet as an option to the Hendersonville area, I encourage you to do so. Carl Sandburg Historic Home is here. The Flat Rock Playhouse is here. Lots of rhododendrons and trees, historical homes. It's lovely. That is 15 Wilson Way. Like I said, there's a trail. We'll go up the trail. There's so much opportunity here at this property to make it your own. It's very serene, quiet, tucked away in nature, and it's a cabin with all of the charm that comes with a cabin. If you want to learn more about this house or about living in Hendersonville, please give me a call. Reach out today. My phone number is right here, 828-470-0264. Give me a call. I can't wait to help support you on your journey of living here in the beautiful mountains of Western North Carolina.